All right, Ted, tell me now. I come to you and I say, Ted, help me know what to do when I choose a real estate agent. What would you say?
Well, a lot of it comes down to, you want to make sure that they're licensed, and let's just say that they are. A lot of people have, it's like an insurance agent. Everybody knows somebody who's a real estate agent, who's an insurance agent, who's a loan officer. It's who's the right person for the job. I would look for referrals. I would look at their years of experience. I would look at the amount of sales that they've made over the years. So a lot of times I will, I'm approaching $87 million worth of sales in my career.
That's a good career.
That's a good career. It's a lot to some, and to some other power players in the real estate world, that's just like 1 year's worth of business, right? So, but overall, the average real estate agent sells 2 homes a year. Last year, my team sold about 23, but if you look at last year as a whole, from today's date, 1 year back, I've got 55 properties that I've had under contract. So there's no substitute for experience. So experience is really, really important. Get recommendations, look at experience, look for someone who knows the area.
I was going to ask you, what about location? Is it important that they know the area really well?
Yes and no.
I assume it would be?
Yes and no. If I know the area really well, I'm going to brag about the fact that I know the area very well. Maybe I even live in that area. But if I don't know the area very, very well, I still feel very confident that I can help price that property correctly, because it's really a math problem. What we're doing is we're looking at your home. We're comparing your home to other homes that are within a quarter-mile to half-mile radius. So as long as I have access to what's on the market and what has sold within the last 90 days or year period of time, I think I'm good enough at this point to look at the numbers, do the math, make some adjustments up or down based upon the condition of the home, and nail it in regard to what the sales price should be. Now, do we ultimately sell it for that price? We can sell it for more, we can sell it for a little bit less, but we know within minutes of going online, because everybody goes to the MLS and it populates every website known to mankind gets to see this listing, and every agent gets to see these listings, no matter who the broker is, no matter what the name of the brokerage is that I work for. Everybody is on a level playing field because of the syndication of all the listings. So we all get to see it, the public as well as the agents.